One of the things that I have noticed, and this is my personal observation being inside thousands of people's homes as a professional house cleaner over the last 30 years, this is one of the things that I've noticed. Most of the people who have clutter and hoarding tendencies, they are creative people. Okay. They collect a lot of stuff because they see utility in it. They say, oh, I could make something out of this and I'm going to do something fun with that. And they save and they are creators. Okay. They're also people pleasers and they want to help other people. They would give you the shirt off their back. In fact, I got lots of shirts. Let me give you what I have. There's no shame in sharing what you have. And most people will give you everything they've got. Okay. So they're givers, they're people pleasers, they're creatives. I love this. Okay. And so what I just heard Michelle say was invite him to have the conversation, invite him in and create a safe space where you can have that conversation. And this is if you are a nurturer to say, hey, it's okay if you're going through this right now. What can I do to help? And do you want me to listen or do you want me to help? Or do you just want me to be,
Yeah.
what were the three things you said?
Listen, guide, or help.
Listen, guide, or help. And if you don't know how to guide, if you don't have the guiding capabilities, that's where people like Michelle come in, where they can do a Zoom call with you or a conference call or something like that. With a couple of sessions, they could probably help you learn the guiding process on how to help somebody through their process, right? Whatever that process is.